Okay, welcome back. And right here next to me, you see the 7 most effective lead magnets that I've seen work in my business, as well as I've seen used in other businesses that I know for a fact are doing very well. So right here, I'll just walk you through them. First one is a checklist. This could be a checklist for anything. So let's say it's like a gym bag checklist, like, oh, I have this, I have this, I have this, or a checklist for a sort of recipe, like a free recipe if you were selling some sort of cooking product. Next one is tips in the form of an ebook. So it can be like 5 tips to do this, 5 tips to make money online, 5 tips to take down that deer. Any sort of numbered list that you can put in the form of tips you can use inside of an ebook. Next is a free trial. The obvious example is ClickFunnels itself. Its main lead magnet for its own software is a 14-day free trial. Next is a video training. We're going to talk about this one extensively later on, but video training, you can use what's called a product launch formula, where it's a sequence of videos that they have to go through. And if that doesn't make sense, if that was a little over your head, there's a whole video that's going to be on that specific type of funnel. Or it could just be a free membership area where there's videos in there that they can go through. Next is a cheat sheet or handouts. So this is something where it's like, oh, here's a good example that I've seen is this one company gives you sort of a cheat sheet for Facebook ads. So, here if your ads aren't doing well, you can use this cheat sheet, and this will tell you what to look for in order to make your ads start performing better. Next is free shipping or discount. If you've ever been into drop shipping whatsoever, if you've ever looked at any video and you know that this is the main thing that they use, free plus shipping, or you can get people to buy something with a discount, what is called a self-liquidating offer, which we will talk about later on. And the last really good lead magnet is a quiz or a survey. You've probably seen these all over the internet. Figure out what your best body type is. Figure out what kind of draft you are. Figure out what sort of plant you are. All these different quizzes and surveys that just lead you back to a site where there's a blog post. Or they'll just lead you back right to a sales page and be like, yo, based off your results, this is what would work best for you. And in order to get their results, they have to give their email. So in every one of these cases, they have to give you their contact information so you can send them this thing. And these are the most effective types of lead magnets that I've seen work so far. Later on, we will go further into what that self-liquidating offer is that we talked about. And you'll also learn about the product launch formula later on as well. So these are the different types of lead magnets. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.